All right, so here we have your Alanis leg press machine. This specific machine has two different types of setting. The first setting is the one that you see here, okay, which is more traditional, where your back is upright. The second setting is more of a laying down setting, which gives you a little bit more of a hack squat feel. You would adjust, to get to that setting, you would adjust the back brace all the way down in a format that now you are pressing more through your shoulders, all right? The second part of the settings here, if we want to use this style, is basically over at the side angle, which is going to allow to adjust the length of the machine when you move in and when you move out of it, all right? If I pull the lever, I can get in it a lot easier now. From this point, I'm going to pull the lever and I'm going to go all the way down until I reach my desired depth. From this point, the weight stack's already adjusted. I kept it at 100 pounds. From here, I'm going to take a breath in, I'm going to exhale and press up. Control movement as I breathe in and exhale. This is more of my hack squat positioning. For me to get out, I'm going to pull that lever again. Now it unhinges and I can just simply sit up and step out. The second setting for this machine is your leg press setting. So from that point, once again, I move it up into the desired angle that I like. Obviously, if I'm a really big person, I would want this back brace to be a little bit angled back more. If I'm a smaller person, I would want it angled up. Once I'm in this position, I can go back in, sit in the machine, pull my red lever up, lower my wrist in, okay? Once again, if this is the desired range I like, perfect. If I want to bring it in a little bit further, I hold onto the handle and pull it in deeper. I've got my handles to the side, at which point I go ahead and execute the movement.